Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you play YouTube music in background without any apps. So it is very easy to play YouTube music in background without any apps. So for that all you need to do is just go to your Chrome browser. Now just search for youtube.com. Now after searching for it, just click the top right three-dot icon and just make your Chrome browser desktop site. Just click on desktop site. Now after making it desktop site, just click on any video, just like I'm clicking this song. Just pause the music and just minimize it, minimize the video. Now just drag it in the top and here you can see the video. Just resume it. So guys, that's how you can play background music in YouTube without any app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.